welcome back to my channel. This is Navika Pathak and today we are going to learn a trick to multiply fraction. So let's start. Our first fraction is 2 by 3 multiplied by 5 by 8. So first we have to multiply these numbers. Then we get 10. Then we have to multiply these numbers and we get 24. And this is our answer. And our next fraction is 8 by 6 multiplied by 2 by 4. So first we have to multiply these numbers. Then we get 16. And we have to multiply these numbers. Then we get 24. And this is our answer. 16 by 24. Our next fraction is 9 by 2 multiplied by 6 by 4. So first we have to multiply these numbers. And we get 54. Then we have to multiply these numbers and we get 8. And our answer is 54 by 8. Our next fraction is 5 by 2 multiplied by 2 by 5. First we have to multiply these numbers. So we get 10. Then we have to multiply these numbers and we get 10. And so when we cut 10 by 10, then we get 1 whole. So our answer is 1 whole. Our next example is 8 by 2 multiplied by 5 by 6. So first we have to multiply these numbers. Then we get 40. And we have to multiply these numbers. Then we get 12. And our answer is 40 by 12. Our next fraction is 7 by 5 multiplied by 2 by 7. So first we have to multiply this. So we get 14 and then we have to multiply this. So we get 35 and 14 by 35 is our answer. So that's all for today. Hope you understood the topic. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye. Meet you in the next video.